Welcome to Smartwatch Specs.
Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the Atmos Fit Drift 2X smartwatch. And on this video, we are going to explore the heart rate monitoring feature of the smartwatch. So this wearable do have a heart rate monitor, as you can see here. We don't have the blood oxygen monitoring, but we do have a heart rate monitoring. So let's see if this heart rate monitoring is real, or it can provide an accurate results. Let's check. And we'll have a simultaneous monitoring with our fingertip pulse oximeter. So if you are interested to see the results, watch this video, and again, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and explore the heart rate monitoring feature of our Atmos Fit Drift 2X smartwatch. Again, we only have a heart rate monitoring here. We don't have a blood oxygen monitoring. So before we proceed, let's check first if it's just providing random results, or we do have a real sensor here for its heart rate monitoring. So we will tap on the heart rate, then start measurement. Let's see, can it detect whether we are wearing it or not, or will it provide a random number? Please wear your watch correctly. Okay, so it can detect that we are not wearing the smartwatch. Okay, so it is not just a random number. Okay, so seems like it's good. Let's see. Okay, let's wear the smartwatch. Okay, I'm not going to close it. Again, let's check the beats per minute. And we have here 80 beats per minute. Let's see with our fingertip pulse oximeter. Start measurement. We have 77 here, 78, 78 beats per minute, 79, and we have here 77. Okay, seems like it provides not that close. The result is not that close to our fingertip pulse oximeter, but I think the result is just okay, somewhat the same or close to the results, +2 or +3, +3 -3. Let's see, we have 85 here, and as you can see, we have 81 and 82. We have 82 beats per minute, 83, 80, 79, 83, 82, and we have here 78 and 79. Okay, so the result, based on the result here, okay, for our Atmos Fit Drift 2X smartwatch, its result is not that far with our fingertip pulse oximeter. We do have 78, so it is in the range of our fingertip pulse oximeter. I think it's just okay for the results of our fingertip pulse oximeter. Although we don't have an animation here for the results. Animation is lame when it comes to checking your heart rate, unlike other smartwatches. Still, you will get I think it is an okay result for its heart rate monitoring. The result is not that far with our fingertip pulse oximeter. And again, for the Atmos Fit Drift 2X, we don't have a blood oxygen monitoring, only the heart rate monitoring as well as the sleep monitoring. Again, if you have any questions regarding the results or about the smartwatch, drop a comment below. Support our channel, like, share, and subscribe.